Hello explorers, I'm your host, Mr. Sam, and I'm thrilled to take you on an exciting journey into the world of matter. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders that surround us, from the tiniest grain of sand to the largest star in the cosmos. In Matterville, we'll uncover the secrets of what makes up everything we see, touch, and interact with. Fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an adventure into the fundamental building blocks of our universe. So what exactly is matter? Simply put, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. That means everything around you, from your toys to your house, even the air you breathe, is made up of matter. Mass is a measure of how much matter an object has. Weight, on the other hand, is the force of gravity pulling on that mass. It's important to remember that while mass stays the same, weight can change depending on the force of gravity. Now that we know what matter is, let's explore how we can describe it. Scientists use specific properties to identify and categorize different types of matter. These properties can be physical or chemical. Physical properties are characteristics we can observe without changing the substance itself. These include color, size, shape, texture, and hardness. Chemical properties, on the other hand, describe how a substance reacts with other substances, like whether it burns or rusts. Think about all the different objects you see every day. They come in a rainbow of colors, an endless variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from microscopic to gigantic. These physical properties help us distinguish one type of matter from another. For example, we can easily tell the difference between a smooth red apple and a rough green pear based on their color, shape, and texture. These observable characteristics are what make matter so fascinating and diverse. Section 6, Conductors and Insulators, the flow of energy. Have you ever wondered how electricity flows through wires or why some materials feel cold to the touch? The answer lies in a property called conductivity. Conductors are materials that allow heat and electricity to flow easily through them. Metals like copper and aluminum are excellent conductors, which is why they are used to make electrical wires. Insulators, on the other hand, are materials that resist the flow of heat and electricity. Rubber, glass, and wood are good insulators. Section 7. Solubility, dissolving and recreating. Imagine stirring a spoonful of sugar into a glass of water. The sugar seems to disappear, but has it really vanished? This is an example of solubility, the ability of one substance to dissolve into another. The sugar dissolves in the water, forming a special type of mixture called a solution. Interestingly, we can often recover the dissolved substance. If we heat the sugar solution, the water evaporates, leaving the sugar crystals behind. This process of separating a dissolved substance from a solution is called crystallization. Section 8. Mixtures and Solutions, a world of combinations. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of mixtures and solutions, exploring how different substances come together to form new combinations. In our everyday lives, we encounter countless examples of mixtures, combinations of two or more substances, where each substance keeps its own properties. From the food we eat to the air we breathe, mixtures are all around us. When you cook, you create mixtures by combining ingredients, each contributing its own flavor and texture to the final dish. A salad, for instance, is a mixture of different vegetables, each with its own unique color, taste, and texture. The lettuce provides a crisp base, the tomatoes add a juicy sweetness, the cucumbers bring a refreshing crunch, and the carrots offer a hint of earthiness. Together, they create a delightful combination that is both nutritious and delicious. Solutions are a special type of mixture where one substance dissolves evenly into another. When you stir sugar into water, the sugar dissolves, creating a uniform solution. This process is essential in many scientific and everyday applications, from making beverages to conducting experiments in a lab. Brass, for example, is a solution of copper and zinc. This alloy is created by melting the two metals together, allowing them to mix at the molecular level. The result is a material that combines the best properties of both metals. The copper and zinc are evenly distributed, giving brass its characteristic golden color and making it stronger than either metal alone. This makes brass an ideal material for a variety of applications, from musical instruments to decorative hardware. Its durability and aesthetic appeal have made it a popular choice for centuries, showcasing the incredible potential of mixtures and solutions in our world. Section 9. Separating mixtures. A look at scientific techniques. Scientists often need to separate mixtures into their individual components. They use various techniques to achieve this, depending on the properties of the substances involved. One common method is filtration, used to separate solids from liquids. Another technique is distillation, which separates liquids with different boiling points. Scientists also use chromatography to separate mixtures based on their different affinities for a stationary and a mobile phase. This technique is crucial in fields like forensic science and DNA analysis. Section 11. Matter, the foundation of our universe. As we conclude our journey through Matterville, it's essential to remember that matter is the foundation of our universe. From the smallest subatomic particles to the largest celestial bodies, everything we know and interact with is composed of matter. Understanding the properties of matter allows us to comprehend the world around us, from the food we eat to the technology we rely on. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of matter.